some people are wondering.
Conley
Maybe
knocked that one
I
down
had
to
a chance.
begin the San Miguel Beermen. CJ on the move. It's a miss. Junmar gets it. Nabangga pa ng import ng Phoenix. Pasok ang bucket. Bonus free throw coming up for Junmar with different hairstyle. Naka-headband ngayon. May corner
Shot, he's getting his rhythm. And here's Terrence Romeo.
Oh, yeah,
He's
from the
up on this.
That's a long two para kay Terrence.
Mark. And he can just afford to watch. Galing ni Joe. Oh, what a nice move there by Tyler Dio with that. And Junmar claiming another rebound.
Just filing up those stats. CJ, lane is open.
A change of direction on the part of CJ Perez, found himself wide open. Well, again, looking to post up. Now he's facing the basket. They have a foul to give.
He'll take that one-hander and get it just in time. The first quarter ends. Balik sa double digits ang lamang ng San Miguel. That's 20-17 ang ating score. Out to Perez, 7 to shoot. Inside to Junmar. Pepe. Sabi niya, sige, tira ko na lang.
Hey, yes! Ano pa yan? This guy does it all. Junmar Fajardo.
Hindi man lang po yung loob niya tumira. Tapos gusto niya ipasa sana yung din eh.
Paubos na yung oras sa shot clock. And he did say that he's improving.
2 out of 4 so far. 4 points total for him. Pass to Adams, to Junmar. Basket again. 25 big points for the biggest man in the league.
Now, there's got to be somebody else.
Troliano. Balik kay Mo. Under a minute remaining in the third. Ross will try a 3. That's good! That lead is now up to a baker's dozen. Nakaisang tref na yan. Pwede tuloy-tuloy.
Nice pick and roll.
Left
Hindi na
layup
pumasok.
misses. Gets it
Oh.
back.
And it's going to be,
Oh! No
he gets
call.
the offensive rebound. And hindi pa rin pumasok.
And then
And finally,
Salado comes
Salado.
away. Wow! What a sequence! Si Makinis umiiwas eh pag
Oo.
pagka-landing. Nakakatawa.